Okay guys, I am back with the great reveal. Um, as you can see, it looks really good. You have to excuse all the reflections, but it is nice. It is time to demold. But first, I need to get a glove because you do not want fingerprints. Fingerprints is, oh, terrible. Oh, so terrible. Let's see what we got here. Okay. This is going to be lovely. Okay. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. You see right through it. See right through it. It's really nice. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. And there's the back. The back, it can go either or. I prefer the front. I like those wispy lines. Looks really good. It's from the side. Looks really nice. Love it. This one. I think I'll sit that there. Let's go for our next one. Oh, lovely. Looks really nice. The only thing is it looks as if it's got bubbles, but I think those are the striations from, you remember I told you about the effects? And I think that's what that is. But it looks really nice. It's the back. Nice. And go ahead and do the next one. Just be careful. There. Looks nice. Nice colors too. I love the colors. If you could see it, there's a little shimmer. This is the back. Looks really nice. I love it. Love the colors. Oh, I am gonna be on it, y'all, when I get me some good lighting and have everything set up. It's gonna be so great. All right, this is the last one. Look like something is there. It's the back. Looks really nice. I wish you all could see what I can see with these colors. It looks, the reflection, it looks kind of 3D, and that's what I was hoping for. And it has a very clear, you can see through it. It looks nice. I love it. And I had some leftover resin, and I just made this little mold here. It's okay, it's not the best, but because the resin was getting so stiff and hard, it was thickening up a whole lot, so I really didn't have a whole lot to work with, but I just did a little few scratches and things like that to give it some kind of character. But it's still a nice coaster. That's the back. Nothing to look at there. It's okay. And one more. Now this one, I must have tore my mold, and I was kind of upset about that, but again, it's okay. It's okay. Nothing to look at the back, but that's okay too. Just something different. Those are just some single coasters that I can just have for my grandbaby drinks or something, or anything like that. The next thing I wanted to show you all was I'm gonna do just one on camera, and this will be this will make it look really good too. I'm gonna take my my paint pen. It's a gold metallic paint pen. It is by Plaid Planners palette, gold metal pen. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the edges. I'm gonna do the edges. Stay in the camera. Do one with you, and I'll show you the ending results. Really don't take long to do it. Okay, this one side. Switch over into the other. Let's go here. And when I do this, I just like to I don't really take my time as I should, but I'm a little tired right now, and I want to get this done for you all because I just really got to get used to this, you know. You want to get in those really good. I see a part that I need to file, and when you have something that you need to file, you just take a little emery board and file it, which is this part right here. See, right there on the edge there? That has to be filed away. That was from like the edge of it, like if it ran over a little bit, it was from that part. Get down in those grooves really good. On this one, it's a lot of little edges. Oh, got a lot of filing to do on this. I didn't think I was going to have a lot because I domed it, and the dome turned out to be really good. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. I'm just about done. It doesn't take long for this at all. Just getting all in those little corners. It's really nice like that. Just be careful not to get, you know, too many fingerprints on it if you can help it. And if you do, you know, you just take a microfiber cloth and you'll be able to make that go away. Now on this part, what I do here, I just go along the very edge. The very edge, just to make it pop a little bit. Just along that edge. And the other edge. I think I want it a little bit thicker. Okay, That's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see it there some. And I don't think normally I'll go around these edges. I think I am. I was going to file it first, but I can just get it out like this. Just peel it away. And that sums it up. Nice coaster. I'll get a final picture for you all once I am done.